In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Elementor. Bolding text can be a simple yet effective way to emphasize important information on your website, so let's walk through the process together. First, we'll need to drag a text editor widget onto your page. This step is quite simple. Start by navigating to the left sidebar where all your Elementor widgets are listed. You'll find the text editor widget among them. Now, click and hold the widget, then drag it over to the section of your page where you'd like to place your text. Release the mouse button to drop the widget onto your desired area. Isn't that straightforward? Once this widget is in place, it's time to move on to the next step, typing your content. At this point, you will see a blank text box appear in the space where you just placed the widget. Click inside that box and begin typing your content. This is the perfect opportunity to introduce your message or add the information you want to display on your page. Take your time with this, making sure your content is clear and well written, as clear communication is key to engaging your audience. Once your text is ready, we can proceed to the next part where we make the text bold. Now, choose the specific portion of your text that you want to stand out. This can be a word, a sentence, or even a full paragraph. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. Highlighting is an important step because it tells Elementor exactly which parts of your content you'd like to alter. With the text highlighted, we're ready to make it bold. Next, take a look at the toolbar that appears right above your text box. You'll notice various formatting icons that resemble what you'd find in a typical word processor. Keep an eye out for the B icon, which stands for bold. Clicking this icon will instantly transform the highlighted text into bold typeface. Voila! The text you selected now appears bold on the page, distinguishing itself from the surrounding text for added emphasis. And that's it! You've now successfully bolded text in the Elementor text editor widget. This simple formatting change can have a big impact on how your message is received, drawing attention to key points and making your content more engaging. Remember, this skill can be useful in various situations, whether it's for emphasizing a heading, a call to action, or any other content you deem important. I hope you found this instructional video helpful. By following these steps, you can easily manipulate text formatting to enhance your website's appeal and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Elementor.